Now to a traffic alert for Lafayette drivers. It's going to take more time to repair the damage to the I-10, I-49 overpass that was damaged when it was hit by a truck late last year. DOTD telling News 15 the overpass repair will take at least 2 more months. They add that's because a new girder is being manufactured to replace the damaged one. That means the ramps from I-49 South to I-10 East, as well as I-10 East to I-49 North, will remain closed. As you'll recall, a truck carrying equipment that wasn't properly secured hit the overpass and took out a chunk of concrete with it. Once the girder is made, it'll then take about a month to install it.